Hello everyone, Dieter Knittel from Deutsche Pfandbriefbank, being responsible for Central Eastern Europe. For us that means Poland, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary and Romania. In terms of the market, I think this year was the market again provided good results, good investment market as last year. Poland is still dominating the market. Huge projects, especially beginning of the year, and also looking later this year, we are quite optimistic that we can achieve last year's results. Also on our side, we just closed a deal in Bucharest in Romania, a very interesting office transaction where Revitas bought an office deal in CBD. We are very selective in that country, but we like Romania, especially Bucharest. It's a capital city. They have 20 million inhabitants, and we like the fundamentals. Beside that, as I said, Poland is still the dominating market. Czech Republic is a little bit slower this year, but we expect also a couple of deals later to happen this year, early next year. Hungary is interesting, but quite competitive. A lot of local money is chasing product, but also there we did a nice deal on the retail side. So all in all, we are quite happy what we have achieved so far in Central Eastern Europe. Thank you very much.